So it is very important to understand that when you file your income tax return, any kind of foreign asset you have to be mentioned properly in your return. So what happened in this case law, basically the person has a two different foreign bank account. In one account they have a zero value, but in a main account they have a huge amount. So now the person is mentioned correct amount but mentioned in wrong account number. So now departments and notice, and they said that this thing is considered as an inaccurate particular. Now department asked for penalty under section 43 of Black Money Act. Reason behind of section 43 is that you are mentioning wrong account number, so that's why you have to pay penalty in it. The taxpayer said that there is a no intention to hide any kind of information, so it is just a bona fide thing, and honestly they can mention correct amount but wrong account number. And the matter gone under ITAT, and they said that we have to go with the spirit of the law, not the clear cut wording of the law. So spirit of the law says that if you are mentioned correct amount but wrong account number, it's just a mistake, so the penalty will be dropped, and this is the way the things will be resolved. But you have to be cross check and double check the things, especially in case of foreign asset declaration.